What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. You know what? Hold on. Let me get some lighting. Boom! How's that? A lot better. So before we get started in today's video, I want to shout out our video sponsor. JC LGL has come through again to light us up with one of their amazing products. I'm going to turn the camera around, show you guys what they've sent us, and hopefully you guys, if you're in the need for some amazing lighting, this will be right up your alley. Check this out. Just like this amazing light right here that JC LGL has sent, we now have the tripod light. This thing is very versatile. It is awesome because you can move it to whatever direction you want to move. And not only can you move that way, it also functions up and down to where if you need it to go up, check this out. It can go up, it can go down, it can go left and right. 360-degree movement. You can lock this baby in just like that. Or you can take and turn it this way to shine over there. Or you can turn it that way to shine over there. It's also very cool that you have each individual button to where if you only need one light, you can do it like that. And it makes it for easy storage as well. You can just pop this off and use it as like a handheld if you want to do it like that. So very cool product. We have to shout out JC LGL for sending us this. Guys, if you're in the lighting needs, this is the company to go for your lighting needs. This has been amazing for under my house, especially in the mornings and at nighttime. So if you guys are interested, the link to this product is in the description. You guys go check it out. Support the companies that support us, and we appreciate JC LGL for sending us this. It has been very useful at the track. We use it whenever we need to run out to the car and plug something in, especially it works good on the A-Volt as well. We're very thankful for JC LGL for sponsoring today's video. Let's head to the track and see Dad light it up.
Well, good evening, everybody. It's race day. This is the mailman. We back over here at Hattiesburg Speedway. We're gonna see if I can get me a double down race here. So what they fixing to do is fixing to pack the track. But I want to go and show y'all something. So we got a new sponsor on the car today. We got some great sponsors, but we got a new one. Diamond D's Ninja Tuck School. So you want to learn how to karate kick? You can just kick right here and go to Diamond D's Ninja Scope. So with a new sponsor, guess what? We also might have a new driver. Or we got a new driver down in there. So this is Grayson, and he's a birthday boy today, and he wants to drive the car. How old are you gonna be, Grayson? 4? He gonna be 4. I think he gotta be a little bit older to drive this car, but we're gonna let him go out there and pack the track with Papa. You ready to go pack the track? All right.
Hey, y'all, we're going out here for the heat race. I got to start in the rear.
Good luck there, Mr. Johnny.
Go to the rear of the pack.
Yeah, you went way up one time. You and Becky both did.
I was doing hard the first couple laps, but I don't know what happened at the end.
You get excited. Take you a couple of deep breaths and calm down. You went almost and got the wall over here.
I know.
And Becky was right behind you. That's when I got under her.
I wondered who was behind me.
Well, I wasn't behind you until there was 2 to go, and I got behind you. And I said, I might can catch him.
Ooh, that was a good photo finish right there. My everything.
That was a good race.
Let's go see what.
All right, y'all. That was a close one. I thought I had him. I wasn't sure. But I think in the picture I'll be all right. Car's handling really good. Really, really good. I mean, the car's handling. If the track don't change too much, also changed the tire pressure a little bit, and it actually is handling really good. All right, everybody, so I come from the back, got a second. We was real close, so I start outside front row in the feature. My way Fleming there, he changed my tire pressure sizes on me, and the thing's a rocket ship. It is handling like, and now the track might change and it might go down, but right now I feel very confident. So we're gonna strap in here in a minute, start outside front row. We're gonna go for a ride. laying down like it's running on 3 cylinders. I might have a coil going bad. Hey. All right, everybody. So, a little rough night last night for the racing. Not for us. Don't know what happened to the car. I got out there. I started on the outside front row. We took off. Car that was on the pole come up a little bit. We rubbed a little bit, no big deal. I thought I was gonna hook them while I was on the brakes, but come off of me pretty quick. So we just took off, got them going down the back stretch, and then I just set sail on. I told Austin I was just gonna be as smooth as I could. About lap 6, I heard the car start popping. I heard it start stuttering. It was hitting on about 3 cylinders. So I just went as smooth as I could, and it would pop, then it would go a little bit, and then it would start laying down again. And so I just kept going. We got a win. Miss Becky Williams got 2nd, and John Littlefield came in 3rd. Pretty eventful night afterwards, though. Again, you know, emotions run wild at racetracks, and sometimes it just goes haywire and takes all the fun out of it. So I know everybody wants to be superstars, but look, we just running a little old 4-cylinder car, going out there having fun. It's supposed to be fun. People's gonna make mistakes. You know, people gonna hit, people gonna bang. They do it in NASCAR. They do it in, you know, every class out there. It's racing. But overall, we put another win for the old Pony Express. So probably gonna take some time off and find out what happened to the car. Probably gonna change directions on running some of these local tracks and just go run some big tracks or some tracks far off now, and have some fun, get our hatch going for SCDRA, have a good time. Thanks for hanging out with us. Let's see what Skylar can do with this footage. So every time I go, I don't do too good on camera. So like, comment, subscribe. Y'all have a blessed day.